So number 1, if a body starting from rest and is moving with a uniform acceleration, the distances traveled by the body is fast second, fast 2 seconds, fast 3 seconds are in the ratio of 1:4:9, etc. Okay. So now explanation. We know this formula, S equals to ut plus half at square, and here starting from rest, that means u, that is initial velocity, equals to 0, and uniform acceleration, so acceleration a equals to constant. So from this we get s proportional to t square, okay, equals to 0 and a equals to constant, so s proportional to t square. Now s1, that is 1 square, s2, that is distance traveled in first 2 seconds, that equals to 2 square, okay, s3, that equals to 3 square. So we can write that s1 is to s2 is to s3 equals to 1 is to 4 is to 9, and in this way it will be continued, okay. Now number 2, if a body starts from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration a such that it travels distances dm and dn in mth and nth second, then acceleration a equals to dm minus dn by m minus n, okay. So this is the formula, okay. We can directly put this formula if we get this type of MCQ, okay. So explanation, we know the formula, that is distance traveled in mth second. This is not m seconds. This is the difference between two these formulas, okay. This is distance traveled in mth second. This is distance traveled in nth second, not in n seconds, not in m seconds, okay. For m seconds we can apply this formula, but here mth second, so this formula will be applied, and from these two formula we can calculate acceleration, okay. Now number 3, if x is the distance at which a car can be stopped when initially moving with speed u, okay. Firstly it was moving with speed u, पहले जो speed था that is u, okay. Then on moving the speed of the car nu, now the speed is nu, okay. The distance at which the car can be stopped, that will be n square x. So first it was x, that is stopping distance, now it is n square s is the stopping distance, because the speed of the car is now nu, that is n times of initial velocity, okay. Now explanation. So we all know this formula, v square equals to a square plus twice as, okay. That is when velocity is increasing, that is acceleration, okay, that is a. So when velocity is decreasing and car will be stopped, here star will be cop, so velocity will be decreasing. So here this formula we apply, v square equals to a square minus twice s. Actually here a equals to negative sign, okay, because here retardation, not acceleration, because the car is stopping, okay, car will be stopped, so here retardation, okay. So here minus a, negative acceleration, okay, because we know that acceleration is a vector quantity, so we can change its sign, okay. That's why it's come actually this formula, v square equals to a square minus twice as, okay, when the speed is decreasing and the car will be stopped, okay. So now here distance s equals to here x, so we can find x equals to a square by twice a. Okay, now second time this speed is nu, so if now distance is Sn, when this speed is nu, okay, this is the stopping distance is xn, so now this will be nu. Now speed is nu square by twice a, so this is n square into u square by twice a, so this is n square x. Okay, thank you.